Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by turning on your Terrain and enabling Bluetooth on your phone. This is the essential handshake. Once done, press Home, then Phone, then pair device on the GMC Uconnect screen so the system searches. You choose your vehicle name on the phone when it appears. Make sure to accept any pairing prompts and compare the PIN displayed on both screens so the connection is secure and authenticated. After the initial pairing, you must authorize permissions so the Terrain can sync contacts and messages, which enables hands-free calling and text alerts. Then choose your preferred interface: Bluetooth audio for music, or plug in and enable Apple CarPlay or Android Auto for full app control. This provides navigation and voice commands. Make sure to enable Auto Connect on the phone and in Uconnect so the system reconnects automatically when you start the vehicle. Finish by testing a call, a voice command, and music playback to confirm everything works together. You verify both audio routing and mic clarity. If something fails, first restart your phone and the Terrain infotainment to clear temporary glitches. If issues persist, forget the vehicle on your phone and delete the phone from Uconnect, then repair. This often resolves name conflicts or old profiles and restores clean connectivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.